Ladies and gentlemen, we love astronauts, heroes, legends, perfect humans strapped into spacesuits. What we don't love, talking about how sometimes training goes very, very wrong. Today's episode is called The Astronaut Training Accident Nobody Likes to Talk About. And the reason nobody likes to talk about it? Because it ruins the fantasy. Astronauts are not superhuman. Let's clear something up immediately. Astronauts are incredible, but they are not indestructible. They still fall, slip, misjudge, make mistakes. Gravity doesn't care about your resume. Training is brutal. Astronaut training is not yoga. It's high G-forces, underwater simulations, fire drills, vacuum chambers. Basically, every way the universe can try to kill you, but supervised. Why training is more dangerous than space? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most astronaut injuries don't happen in space. They happen on Earth during training, because training pushes limits over and over and over again. The day it happened. This accident didn't happen during a launch or a landing. It happened on a routine training day, which is how most accidents start. Routine is a lie. Routine means we've done this before, and that's when caution relaxes. The setup harnesses, cables, simulators, everything checked, signed off, approved, on paper. The moment something slips, something jams, something fails, and suddenly training turns into emergency. Silence. The worst part? Silence. No jokes, no chatter. Just professionals switching into crisis mode. Why this is hard to discuss because it challenges the image. Astronauts are supposed to be flawless, controlled, prepared. Accidents remind us they're human. The aftermath. Medical teams rush in, training stops, schedules erased, careers hang in the balance. The unofficial rule. There's an unspoken rule in space programs. Celebrate success loudly, discuss failure quietly. Why it stays quiet? Not because of shame, but because of responsibility. One story taken out of context turns into space is unsafe. That's not the lesson. The real lesson. The lesson is preparation is dangerous, but necessary. Astronaut mentality. Astronauts don't quit easily. Injured, recover, scared, train harder. That mindset is heroic and risky. The body veges the dream. Dreams don't feel pain. Bodies do. That conflict is real. Why we should talk about it? Because pretending training is safe is more dangerous than admitting it isn't. Safety evolves. Every accident rewrites procedures, adds checks, changes limits. Progress is paid for in close call. The unsung hero. The real heroes here? The trainers, the engineers, the safety officers, the ones who redesign systems so the next astronaut doesn't get hurt. Why this isn't failure? This isn't weakness. It's reality. Space demands perfection. Humans deliver effort. Final rant. We want explorers. We want pioneers. We want people willing to risk everything, but we also owe them honesty. Training isn't glamorous. It's dangerous, and it matters. So here's to the accident nobody likes to talk about. Not because it was shameful, but because it reminds us. Getting to space starts on the ground, and the ground hits hard.